Are you tired of feeling bloated and sluggish after Super Bowl Sunday? This year, you can enjoy your favorite snacks without the guilt, thanks to Chef Dom Ruggiero. Chef Dom Ruggiero, a marine veteran and culinary expert, brings his expertise from New York City to Scottsdale, Arizona, where he runs 3 successful restaurants. Ruggiero's Hush Public House is set to be featured on Guy Fieri's diners, drive-ins, and dives, showcasing his culinary prowess. To stay fit while indulging in his culinary creations, Ruggiero trains in weightlifting and Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Ruggiero shares his top tips for prepping game day goodies without missing a second of the action or sacrificing flavor. Swap out high-calorie ingredients for healthier alternatives like Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise and lean proteins instead of fattier meats. Ruggiero emphasizes the importance of prepping ahead of time and using tools like crockpots and pellet smokers to keep dishes hot without compromising flavor. For easy cleanup and convenience, serve your dishes in disposable aluminum pans and provide to-go containers for guests to take leftovers home. Try Ruggiero's homemade French onion dip, a healthier version using Greek yogurt and extra virgin olive oil, perfect with chips or fresh vegetables. Another crowd pleaser is his barbecue chicken lettuce cups, customizable with your favorite ingredients and easily prepared in a crockpot or smoker.